Welcome traders and investors. Today we'll be looking at candlestick charts. So what are candlesticks? Candlestick charts are one of the most popular tools in trading. Each candle represents price movement within a specific time period, showing the open, close, high, and low. The color tells you if buyers, for example in this case green, is bullish, which is price is going higher, or sellers, in this case which is red, also known as bearish, which is price going down, had control, while the wicks reveal how far price moved before settling. Traders can use candlesticks to quickly gauge market sentiment, momentum, and potential reversals. A brief history about it. Candlestick charting originated in the 18th century Japan, where rice trader Munhisa Homa first developed the technique to track rice markets. He discovered that price was influenced not only by supply and demand, but also by emotions of traders. Centuries later, in the 1980s, candlestick analysis was introduced to the Western world by Steve Nielsen, and it's since become the cornerstone of modern-day technical analysis. Today, candlesticks are used by traders worldwide to read price action and anticipate the next market move. Looking at some real-life examples here, this is a chart of the S&P 500, the main index for the US. Okay, this shows how the US stock market is performing by taking into account its 500 largest companies in the analysis. So each of these candles, which is flickering between red and green, show how prices moved during that period. Down the bottom, we have a time axis. So we can see this is a daily chart. So prices, one of these candles represents a day's worth of trading or days worth of transactions that occurred in the market. A green candle, like I mentioned earlier, shows prices going up for the day. A red candle shows prices pulling back for the day. Now, based on the previous slide, we can dig further and analyze the open, the high, the low, and the top. There's also another candle called a doji candle. In this case with a doji candle basically means that market indecision. Prices are in a very narrow field and don't know where to go next. These are all great hints in terms of where prices could go next when it comes to trading or investing.